Unique structures. Let's take a look at two of the most eco-friendly buildings in the world. Situated in Astana, Khan Shatir is a modern shopping and entertainment center. It offers a wide variety of shopping and leisure activities in a friendly atmosphere. It was opened in 2010, and today it's one of Kazakhstan's main tourist attractions. It imitates the tent structure of the yurt, providing a constant reminder to urban Kazakhs of their roots out on the steppe. Khan Shatir is also one of the world's most eco-friendly buildings. Its see-through covering helps to maintain a constant warm temperature inside, whatever the weather. Its distinctive shape also means it can withstand high winds. Next to the waters of the River Thames, there is a remarkable building, the Crystal. It opened in 2012 and contains an exhibition on sustainability. This exhibition gives visitors the opportunity to explore issues such as energy, water, and the environment. The Crystal is the most eco-friendly building in London. It is covered with solar panels that provide all of its electricity. It also has special pipes which store extra energy underground. It produces 90% of its own water by collecting rainwater and wastewater. The Crystal is a great example of how modern architecture can work with nature to save the planet. Have you visited any other unique buildings like these in your travels?